Taste, meaning the sensation perceived by the tongue when eating or drinking something. Synonyms: flavor, savor, palate. Sentence: the taste of freshly baked cookies lingered in the air, tempting everyone in the room. Inevitable, meaning something that is certain to happen and cannot be avoided. Synonyms: unavoidable, certain, inescapable. Sentence: change is inevitable. It's how we adapt to it that defines us. Leader, meaning a person who guides or directs a group or organization. Synonyms: head, chief, captain. Sentence: a true leader inspires others to follow not by force, but by example. Thief, meaning someone who steals something. Synonyms: robber, burglar, criminal. Sentence: the thief silently slipped away into the night, leaving behind a trail of stolen valuables. Consequently, meaning as a result of something. Synonyms: accordingly, hence, therefore. Sentence: he missed the train, consequently, he was late for the meeting. Deployment, meaning the movement or placement of troops or resources. Synonyms: positioning, arrangement, allocation. Sentence: the deployment of new technology revolutionized the way we communicate. Compassion, meaning sympathetic concern for the sufferings or misfortunes of others. Synonyms: empathy, kindness, understanding. Sentence: her compassion for animals led her to volunteer at the local shelter. Because, meaning for the reason that, since. Synonyms: since, as, for the reason that. Sentence: he couldn't go to the party because he had to study for his exams. Contest, meaning a competition in which people or teams compete against each other to win. Synonyms: competition, challenge, tournament. Sentence: the spelling contest was fierce, with each participant eager to prove their skills. Recovery, meaning the return to a normal state of health, mind, or strength. Synonyms: recuperation, revival, renewal. Sentence: after a long illness, his recovery was slow but steady. Tribe, meaning a social division in a traditional society consisting of families or communities linked by social, economic, religious, or blood ties. Synonyms: clan, family, group. Sentence: the tribe gathered around the fire, sharing stories of their ancestors. Loudly, meaning with a great deal of volume, in a loud manner. Synonyms: noisily, boisterously, vociferously. Sentence: she cheered loudly as her team scored the winning goal. Estimate, meaning an approximate calculation or assessment of the value, number, quantity, or extent of something. Synonyms: approximation, guess, assessment. Sentence: he made a rough estimate of the cost before starting the project. Disabled, meaning having a physical or mental condition that limits movements, senses, or activities. Synonyms: handicapped, impaired, challenged. Sentence: the organization provides support for disabled individuals to lead independent lives. Difference: meaning, the way in which two or more things vary from each other. Synonyms: disparity, contrast, distinction. Sentence: there's a big difference between knowing the path and walking the path. Blanket, meaning, a large piece of cloth used as bedding or to keep warm. Synonyms: covering, quilt, throw. Sentence: she wrapped herself in a warm blanket and settled down for a cozy evening. Motivation, meaning, the reason or reasons one has for acting or behaving in a particular way. Synonyms: incentive, drive, inspiration. Sentence: finding motivation to exercise can be challenging, but the feeling of accomplishment afterward is worth it. Beach, meaning, a pebbly or sandy shore, especially by the ocean between high and low water marks. Synonyms: shore, coastline, seashore. Sentence: they spent the day lounging on the beach, soaking up the sun and listening to the waves. Prominent, meaning, important, famous, widely known. Synonyms: well-known, distinguished, notable. Sentence: he was a prominent figure in the field of science, known for his groundbreaking research. Democratic, meaning, relating to or supporting democracy or its principles. Synonyms: egalitarian, popular, representative. Sentence: in a democratic society, every voice has the power to make a difference.